This is a unique pedal-powered electric motorcycle. It's described as a human hybrid. The innovative clutch-free direct drive of the e-Rocket intelligently adapts to the intuitive pedal control. The operation is very simple. The rider pedals and the bike multiplies their muscle power many times. The rider experiences a breathtaking acceleration while pedaling with relatively little effort. You can ride at a top speed of about 56 miles per hour. The e-Rocket runs completely emission-free and is economical in consumption. If you charge your vehicle with green electricity, it is completely eco-friendly. The battery capacity is 6.6 kilowatt-hour, and the motorcycle has a range of over 74 miles per charge. You can reserve your e-Rocket by depositing a reservation fee of €250. The motorcycle is currently priced at €11,850. Would you ride this ideal commuter vehicle to your workplace and back?